The 5-seater Highlife Prodigy Spa. This is the absolute best in hot tub ownership. Ideal for large or small spaces. Mid-size, big on comfort. 213 by 198 and 84 centimeters tall. A striking centerpiece for your home. Personalized controls. Comfort engineered to target specific muscles. With the freshwater salt system always included, your water stays softer, cleaner and more natural. Exclusive 100% no bypass filtration ensures every drop is purified every moment. We put the IQ in liquid. With the optional freshwater IQ, the smart inline water care system, your spa looks after itself. It automatically tests pH, chlorine and salt levels, displaying clear instructions so you know exactly when adjustments are needed. Visually stunning design with a distinctive color palette and customizable zone lighting for an atmosphere that's yours alone. The Highlife Collection, truly premium, truly legendary. The very best in comfort, performance and design. Available at Aquapool Spas in our Fongirola or San Pedro stores.